Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot Review: Pore Shrinker or just hype? Is the Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot really the pore shrinking miracle TikTok claim it is? Or is this another overhype ampule? I tested it, broke down the ingredients, and here's what you need to know before adding it to your skincare routine. This Korean skincare duo includes a Peel Shot Glow Rice Ampule and a Peel Shot Toner. Together, they promise smoother texture, smaller pores, and that coveted glass skin glow without harsh acids or irritation. So let's talk ingredients. You're getting galactomyces ferment for brightness, niacinamide to even tone, PHA and AHA for gentle exfoliation, Centinella asiatica to calm skin, and sodium hyaluronate for hydration. It's clean, fragrance-free, and ideal for sensitive skin. I use it every night for 2 weeks, and my skin felt smoother by day 3, and by week 2, my pores look tighter, especially around the nose and cheeks. No irritation, no dryness, just a subtle glow. Here's the breakdown of its pros and cons. Among its pros would be gentle exfoliation, noticeable pore refinement, hydrating, and calming. And among its cons would be it's pricey for a two-step system, and its results take time, no overnight miracles. And it's not ideal for oily skin needing deep exfoliation. So if you've got sensitive, dry, or combination skin and want a gentle glow up, this duo delivers. But if you need hardcore exfoliation or oil control, you might want something stronger.